Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how can you upload your WordPress theme on your WordPress dashboard. And that's super easy. Just open your dashboard by entering the credentials like username and password. Click on login. Once you open the dashboard, just go to the appearance and then click on the themes option from the drop down list. Now click on the add new button and then click on upload theme. Here you will see the choose files. Yeah, here it is. Just click on it and choose the theme which you want to upload. Just make sure that the theme must be in zip format because the zip file is the only extension that is acceptable from the WordPress. Open it and now click on the install now button and it starts unpacking the package and installing the theme. And the theme is installed successfully. If you want to see the installed theme, go to the themes option in sidebar or you can activate it directly from here just by clicking on the activate button. It's activated. That's it. And let me tell you something more important. If you want to see the themes option, you can find the theme names in your sidebar. And if you're not able to see the theme options or the theme names in your sidebar, you can also find it in appearance. Like I can see here the typer panel and the typer add-ons. So I have the theme options here. And if you're still not able to find the theme options in appearance as well, then after clicking on the appearance, just go to the customize option. Once you will click on it, you can see the theme options in your sidebar. As here, I can see the theme options. That's it. If you like the video, kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care.